skinny guys who think they're weak, who avoid the gym because they don't have muscle, who believe strength is only for the naturally big and strong. The Soviets proved all of that wrong. Soviet training protocols transformed ordinary men, rail-thin factory workers and farmers, into brutally strong athletes. Not bodybuilder big, but functionally powerful. The kind of strength that shows up when you need it. Lifting heavy objects, carrying loads, defending yourself, real-world power. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're revealing a Soviet-inspired kettlebell workout that makes skinny men brutally strong. This is a complete 20-minute routine that builds muscle, burns fat, and develops explosive power. No gym required. Just 2 kettlebells and determination. By the end of this video, you'll have the complete workout, understand why it's so effective, and know exactly how to use it to transform from skinny to strong in weeks. This is going to change your body and your life. Let's get into it. First, let's understand why kettlebells are the perfect tool for skinny guys trying to get strong. Kettlebells force total body integration. Every exercise engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. You can't isolate. You have to work as a complete unit. Kettlebells build functional strength. The offset center of mass creates instability. Your stabilizer muscles work over time. This builds real-world strength, not just gym strength. Kettlebells are brutally efficient. One 20-minute session can replace an hour of traditional gym work. High-intensity, full-body stimulus in minimal time. Kettlebells develop explosive power. The ballistic movements, swings, cleans, snatches, train your nervous system to produce force instantly. This is the difference between looking strong and being strong. Soviet coaches understood all of this. That's why kettlebells were standard equipment in Soviet training facilities, military bases, and athletic programs. Now let me reveal the workout. This is a 20-minute EMOM, every minute on the minute protocol. Soviet athletes used this format to build incredible work capacity and conditioning while developing strength. The Soviet Kettlebell Complex, 5 exercises performed in sequence. At the start of every minute, you perform all 5 exercises. Whatever time remains in that minute is your rest. Then the next minute starts and you repeat. 20 total rounds, 20 minutes, brutal but effective. Here are the 5 exercises. Exercise 1, Kettlebell Push-Ups, 4 reps. This isn't a standard push-up. You're using the kettlebells as push-up handles, creating instability and increasing range of motion. How to perform kettlebell push-ups. Place 2 kettlebells on the ground, shoulder width apart. Grip the handles, body in plank position. Lower your chest below the level of the kettlebells. Full range of motion. Press back up explosively. Maintain rigid core throughout. Why this builds muscle and strength. Increased range of motion stretches the chest and creates more muscle damage. Instability from the kettlebells forces shoulder stabilizers to work harder. Grip strength is challenged by holding the handles. Core engagement is maximal to maintain stability. 4 reps might not sound like much, but after round 10, 15, 20, your chest and triceps will be destroyed. Exercise 2, Kettlebell Rows, 4 reps. Immediately after push-ups, you transition to rows. This balances the pushing with pulling. How to perform kettlebell rows. From the push-up position, shift weight to one arm. Row the opposite kettlebell to your ribs, elbow driving back. Lower with control, repeat on the other side. 2 reps per arm, 4 total. Why this builds muscle and strength. Unilateral loading corrects imbalances and builds even development. Anti-rotation core work. You're fighting to keep your body stable while rowing. Back, lats, rhomboids, rear delts, all working hard. Grip strength continues being challenged. Exercise 3, Kettlebell Cleans, 4 reps. Now we transition to explosive power development. How to perform kettlebell cleans. Stand with kettlebells between your feet. Hinge at hips, grab both bells. Explosively extend hips and knees, pulling the bells up. Punch your hands through the handles as the bells flip around your wrists. Catch them at shoulder height in the rack position. Lower bells back down with control. Repeat for 4 explosive reps. Why this builds muscle and strength. Explosive hip extension develops power and athleticism. Full body coordination required. Legs, hips, back, shoulders, all working together. Cardiovascular demand. Cleans elevate heart rate significantly. Metabolic stress. This burns serious calories and stimulates muscle growth. After push-ups and rows, cleans will have you breathing hard. Exercise 4. Double kettlebell front squats, 4 reps. With the bells in the rack position from the cleans, you immediately transition to front squats. How to perform double kettlebell front squats. Bells racked at shoulders, elbows pointing forward, feet shoulder width apart. Squat down, driving knees out. Maintain upright torso. Descend as deep as possible while keeping heels down. Drive through heels to stand. Squeeze glutes at top. Why this builds muscle and strength. Complete leg development. Quads, glutes, hamstrings, all worked. Core stability. The front-loaded position forces your core to work intensely. Improved squat mechanics. Front loading teaches perfect form, functional strength. This carries over to real-world lifting and movement. Exercise 5. Double kettlebell swings, 12 reps. The finisher. This burns fat, builds power, and conditions your entire body. How to perform double kettlebell swings. Bells on ground, hinge and grab both. Hike them back between your legs. Explosively extend hips, driving bells forward to chest height. Arms are straight. Power comes from hips, not arms. Control the descent, hinging as bells swing back. Immediately explode into the next rep. 12 powerful, explosive reps. Why this builds muscle and strength. Maximum posterior chain development. Glutes, hamstrings, lower back, all firing hard, explosive power. You're training your body to generate force instantly. Cardiovascular conditioning. 12 swings after the previous 4 exercises will have your heart pounding. Fat burning. The metabolic demand is massive. Calories are torched. That's 1 round, 5 exercises. Approximately 30 to 40 seconds of work. 20 to 30 seconds of rest until the next minute starts. You repeat this for 20 total rounds. 20 minutes of work that will transform your body. Now let's talk about why this specific workout is so effective for skinny guys. High-frequency muscle stimulation. Every muscle group is hit 20 times in 20 minutes. This creates massive growth stimulus. Progressive fatigue. Round 1 feels manageable. Round 20 is brutal. You're forcing your body to perform under increasing fatigue. This builds mental toughness and physical resilience. Metabolic conditioning. The combination of strength work and minimal rest creates a massive metabolic effect. Your body burns calories for hours after this workout. Time efficiency, 20 minutes. That's all you need. No excuses. Even the busiest person has 20 minutes. Functional strength development. Every movement in this workout translates to real life. Pushing, pulling, lifting, squatting, explosive power. You're building strength that works everywhere. How to progress this workout over time. Week 1 to 2, start with lighter kettlebells. Focus on perfect form. Men might use 16 kilogram bells, 35 pounds. Women might use 8 or 12 kilogram bells. Complete all 20 rounds. Rest as needed. Week 3 to 4, increase kettlebell weight by 4 to 8 pounds. Maintain form, all 20 rounds. Week 5 to 6, add 1 or 2 reps to each exercise. So instead of 4 reps, do 5 or 6. Swings might go from 12 to 15. Week 7 to 8, increase weight again or add another minute. Make it a 21 or 22-minute EMOM. Progressive overload is key, but progression should be gradual and sustainable. What about nutrition for skinny guys trying to get strong? You need to eat. Skinny guys often undereat drastically. Soviet athletes consumed significant calories to fuel training and growth. Protein is essential. 1 gram per pound of body weight minimum. For a 150-pound skinny guy, that's 150 grams of protein daily. Meat, fish, eggs, dairy, protein shakes. Carbohydrates fuel performance. Don't fear carbs. Rice, potatoes, oats, bread. These provide energy for intense workouts like this EMOM protocol. Healthy fats support hormone production. Testosterone needs fat. Eggs, nuts, olive oil, fatty fish. Eat in a slight calorie surplus. If you're maintaining weight at 2,500 calories, eat 2,800. Enough to grow, not so much you get fat. Meal timing matters. protein and carbs after training. Your body needs nutrients for recovery and growth. How often should you do this workout? For skinny guys trying to build strength and muscle, 3 to 4 times per week is optimal. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. This provides enough stimulus for growth while allowing recovery. Your muscles grow during rest, not during training. On rest days, do light activity. Walking, stretching, mobility work. Stay active but don't train hard. What results can you expect? In 4 weeks, noticeable strength gains. Kettlebell weights that felt heavy now feel moderate. Visible muscle development, shoulders, back and legs show definition. Improved conditioning. 20 minutes doesn't leave you gasping like it did initially. Increased confidence. You feel capable and powerful. In 12 weeks, significant transformation. 10 to 15 pounds of muscle gained if eating adequately. Dramatic strength increase. Kettlebell weights doubled or tripled from starting point. Complete physique change. You look athletic and strong. Mental toughness. You've proven you can do hard things consistently. Here's the truth about being skinny and getting strong. It's not about genetics. It's not about having a naturally big frame. It's about consistent, intelligent training and adequate nutrition. Soviet training proved that ordinary men, not genetic freaks, could become extraordinarily strong through systematic training. This kettlebell workout is based on those same principles. 20 minutes, 5 exercises, 20 rounds, 3 to 4 times per week. Adequate nutrition, that's the formula. Most skinny guys never get strong because they never commit. They try for 2 weeks, don't see instant results, and quit. But the ones who stick with it, they transform completely. So here's my challenge. Get 2 kettlebells. Start lighter than you think you need. This workout is deceptively brutal. Commit to this protocol for 12 weeks, 3 to 4 sessions per week. Never miss a workout. Eat enough protein and calories. Track your progress with photos and strength markers. 12 weeks from now, you won't be skinny anymore. You'll be strong, muscular, and capable. The kind of strength people notice. If you're accepting this challenge, drop a comment saying "skinny to strong." Let's build a community of guys transforming their bodies and lives. And if you want detailed form demonstrations of each exercise, modification options for beginners, and advanced progression protocols, let me know. I'll create follow-up videos with everything you need. And if you want more complete workout programs, kettlebell training, and methods that build real strength, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This Soviet-inspired kettlebell workout makes skinny men brutally strong. Not bodybuilder big, functionally powerful. The kind of strength that shows up when life demands it. 20 minutes, 5 exercises, 20 rounds. No excuses, just results. I'll see you in the next video. Now go get strong.